Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to get to tutorial on Gorilla Tag. For starters, you will not lose any cosmetics. Uninstall Gorilla Tag. Trust me, I'm showing you that. I just did. Most saucy. And then if you go to your settings, go to System, go to Backup, and turn off Cloud Backup. Trust me, you will not lose anything. And then if you go library, then install Gorilla Tag. Okay. Wait for it. I got an itch on my leg. What the heck? God, I'll do so many games. If you're wondering how I record in here, what you're gonna do is go to camera in here. One hit is to hit record. And if you're wondering, I'm done putting all my hard work into these videos. I'm posting off my iPad, bro. Like iPad, not even my phone. I know, right? Oh, it's installing. I think if you go like this, and I take them off, I think it looks like I'm T-posing if I... Oh, ready? Oh, it is. Let's get into it. For me, when how you know you're recording is you always want to allow the mic, and there's a little red dot right in the middle of your screen. Or to the right of it. Oh, you gotta allow my phone. Trust me, everything will save. Hopefully I hit allow. That will not be good. Pretty laggy. So watch, this is not a fan game. I'll show you how it's Pride Update. This is Pride Update 2024, guys. See? Go join the public. Crap! I just fell down. That is okay. I'll show you how you don't lose your cosmetics. The cloud. People say that the cloud backup makes you go to tutorial, but either way, still have your cosmetics. As you can see.
Sorry.
Dagger, can I see your toes and I will eat them?
Yeah, here you go.
Yeah, here you go. Thank you.
And it'll show it's a new update, but trust me, it's fine. Good name. Change my name.
You're gonna jump as high as me. Get ready, jump as high as me. I'm gonna stay in the air and do it.
Change your name back. Color code 5. I'm gonna blur this one out, but this is gonna be some trolling.
I didn't draw my controller.
Okay,
I
let me
went like
just.
this.
Color code's 5, 8, 5, 7.
Nope, you did it wrong.
Let's do it,
Let's say both
boys.
controllers down, press the home button, then press it again.
Shit,
Fine.
I'm last in the lobby.
Oh, he was hiding. He was hiding and stuff.
No, I'm not. I just got into. I just loaded my lobby.
You know, go get this dude.
Wait, want to see how much will die?
It's uninstall girls again. I might fast forward this. Look, I didn't even turn on cloud back up again. So brave I am. You guys, is it off still? Or not? On, off. Okay. Uninstall, go back, install it. Show you my games while I wait. Okay, so Among Us VR, I don't play that much. I don't know what this is. Big Wallers, I recommend the game. A big screen beta, you can watch things with your phone games. Modded, Gorilla Tag. This is not available on store anymore, but it's Brick Tag. It's really fun. Pooch and Monkeys, I will not go into there. Simple Labs is a really fun game. I would recommend it download. C-Bus, really fun. Crawlspace, I'd recommend it, but I uninstalled it because it's too scary. Flushy Tag, that's cool. And Fun Monkey Horror, Fun Monkey Horror 2, Girl Football is pretty fun. I love it. If you don't know already, my favorite sport is football and basketball. My two favorite sports. Install it! Let me just install. Finally, bro. Okay. If you're wondering, it is literally 7:58 in the morning. I'm pretty tired, but I have no school, so there's really no point. It's Tuesday. Because by the time this video will come out, it's probably be like the weekend. So. I haven't heard this music in a while. I remember one time when my track it just fell off and I just went, boop. Guys, look up! Is this what they call red walls?
Dude, your ankle's got stabbed. No. Hey. No, you green leaf thing. I ain't paying for your wrists.
See if I can get out.
I ain't paying for your
I think there's
wrists.
a clapper. Yep.
No. Alright,
Shut up.
yeah,
One more time.
bro, you're not outrunning me no matter what.
It's hard. Troll is a new player. Hello, guys.
The fastest monkey in the
Well, that's it for the video. Hope this tutorial is helpful and useful.